Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this pack of Intenso Rainbow line with 3 USB sticks, that is 3 USB 2.0 of 16 GB each. That comes at a really low price. So let's open it up. We will just tear this apart. This packaging is just ready to be ripped like that. And here we have it. Here are the 3 thumb drives. So let's remove this one here and check them closely like that. Okay, we just have to rip that one too and make the sticks come out this way. Here are the thumb drives. Now 3 of them. Just remove the packaging here. Okay, this seems to be a transparent plastic cover for each. You can see the internal of the USB stick. These are really typical USB thumb drives. That's great if you want to buy more than one. This black one doesn't seem too transparent to me, but it's okay. And overall, this is a fair purchase for someone that needs 3 different thumb drives of 16 GB each, just for transferring files or bootable disks. This is a good offer. So there we have it. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.